Today, we're diving fork first into a hearty, creamy mushroom steak pasta. Listed here in the ingredients, so feel free to take a moment to pause and write it down. Now let's get to cooking. Fill a medium-large pot or pan with water and add in a generous amount of salt. I like to use a wider pan as I don't like to break my pasta. Once a rolling boil has been achieved, add in your pasta and cook to about 2 minutes under al dente, in this case roughly 7 to 9 minutes. Be sure to save 1 cup of the pasta water, drain the rest, and set your pasta on the side. Next, we'll take our steak and pat it dry with a paper towel. This removes moisture from the surface of the steak, which helps to create a better sear. In a large Dutch oven, add in olive oil and set to medium-high. Let your pot reach heat and add in your steak. Cook each side for roughly 3 to 4 minutes to achieve a nice sear, and be sure to hit the edges of the steak for roughly a minute per edge. Remove from heat and set aside. In the same pot, add in your mixed mushrooms, toss in about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and give it a good toss and mix. Season with salt and cook for roughly 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add in your shallots and your minced garlic. Give that a good mix and cook together for an additional 2 minutes. After those 2 minutes are up, add in your pasta and toss in about a cup of the pasta water and also roughly a cup of heavy cream. Toss it all together on medium heat for an additional 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes are up, remove from heat and add in your lemon zest and juice. Top with a lovely serving of Parmesan cheese, and I'm tossing 2 more tablespoons of butter just for fun, finishing with freshly minced Italian parsley. Toss and turn, mix until everything is combined and the butter has melted. One last touch of black pepper and one final toss of the pasta. Plate pasta down first and top with bite-sized pieces of steak. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I love this meal, and until the next time, have a great day.